Hello guys, welcome back to Unbox 7 and welcome back to another exciting review for you guys. Okay, in this video I'm going to unbox this huge package. It's not big package, as you already read the title. I'm going to unbox huge amount of smartwatches. So I got this package and they are like very big quantity in this box. I got two colors, one is black and other is pink, like rose gold color. I'm gonna show you guys in my video. First I'm gonna take everything out of the box. You can see all the watches, they are all working, very good quality and super beautiful. And if you have not subscribed to my YouTube channel now, please do it right now, and also turn on the bell icon so you guys get a notification each time I upload a new video. I am just stacking all the smartwatches on each other and already they are looking so much, and like the quantity is 30 and the 10 of them are black in color and 20 of them are rose gold in color. So I'm just putting them on each other and stacking them like this so I can show you the exact quantity and all the watches. Okay, I took all the smartwatches out of the box and you can see here they are so like beautifully stacked on each other. This one is rose gold in color, and here are some features about this watch. You can use this as a pedometer, there's a call notification, and you can also check your blood like oxygen, heart rate, and you can use this as like track for your workout, and you can also get notifications for your messages and lots more option in this smartwatch. And the reason I specifically choose this smartwatch because I really like this one and the features are so good, some basic features and some more features, and look at the quality and look at the like beautiful of like display for this watch. This one is rose gold color, and you can also say like pink color, and all the details, and it's very simple to use, very easy to use. There is an app available, you can just download that app. There is a booklet in the box, and the make of this watch, the quality is really good. Nobody sponsored it to me, I just bought this on my own, so I'm just like telling you honest review because I used this watch many times and I really like the quality and the features. So here we have like charger in the box, and there is also user manual in the box. And now I'm going to show you the other color, the black color. The black color is also like same in like features and everything, just difference is the color is different and everything is same. So I'm going to show you like black color watch. So here we have the black one available, so I'm going to show you the black one. Everything is same in this watch, just the color as I already told you. Okay, so the band quality, if we talk about the band quality is also really good. It's like silicone, the material is silicone, and the dial is 38 mm, so it's very like easy to wear on your wrist, even like small wrist like mine. Okay, if you like this video, please give this video a big thumbs up. I will see you guys in my next video and I will bring some more videos for you guys, so stay tuned. Bye bye.